Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to access the Shapiro Library's homepage, how to navigate to subject-specific databases that focus on nursing and healthcare, and will be introduced to scholarly and peer-reviewed sources, as well as how to locate and find CINAHL database. Let's get started. Our learning objectives include locating and accessing the Shapiro Library homepage, navigating to nursing and healthcare subject databases, and identifying scholarly and peer-reviewed sources. The best way to access the library is to start at the Shapiro Library homepage. We have a direct URL, which is libguides.snhu.edu/home. You may wish to write this down or bookmark the Shapiro Library homepage for ease of use. Once on the Shapiro Library homepage, there are a few ways you can approach conducting your research. One way is to go directly to the A to Z database list to see all the databases with information sources that we offer. For nursing topics, the nursing and health databases will be the best place to look for information. To get to the A to Z database list from the Shapiro Library homepage, you can use the top navigation bar to open up the options under Find Articles, eBooks, and more. The A to Z list database link can also be found on the home page on the left side under Quick Links. Let's use the Quick Links menu at the bottom on the left side to access. Once you're on the A to Z database list, one of the easiest ways to navigate through the many options is to look at the groupings of databases by subject. If you look at the left side of the page, you'll see a drop-down menu titled All Subjects. Clicking on this drop-down menu, we will see our list of databases grouped together by subject area. During your nursing career, both here and at SNHU and professionally, you may find yourself researching a topic that has connections to differing disciplines, like psychology or education as examples. In those cases, do not limit yourself to only the databases inside the health or nursing subject area. But for now, let's view the databases inside the nursing subject area. Once you select your subject, you will see a list of our databases that contain different information sources on the subject area. If you aren't sure which to use, take a moment and read the short description under the title, which will give you basic information on the types of sources that you will find within that database. As nurses, you will be expected to find the most pertinent evidence out there for your research needs. Some of the best information sources come from scholarly and/or peer-reviewed journals. To learn how to search for scholarly and peer-reviewed articles, let's take a moment to go over the specifics of what makes those sources important to use. What are scholarly and peer-reviewed journal articles? Well, starting with scholarly journal articles, they are written by academics or experts in a particular field or discipline. These articles are usually targeted to researchers, experts, and practitioners in that field or discipline. These articles are focused on research, including original sources that the authors have done, methodology, or how they have conducted their study, the theories they used, or they could be referencing or talking about secondary studies. These would be studies that other people have done. Scholarly journals are usually published by professional associations or academic presses. These articles use proper citation methods in these journals. They will also be professional in appearance, having no unnecessary graphics like advertisements, other than those to support data and the findings in their articles. Scholarly journals and the articles inside them can sometimes also be called academic journals or articles. Peer-reviewed journals meet all of the previous criteria that we just spoke about for scholarly journals, but include a little bit more. These articles go through an additional rigorous process for editing, feedback, and revision before publication. When these articles are submitted for publication to a peer-reviewed journal, the article goes to a board of experts or scholars in that specific field. These experts check the research for quality of methods, data collection, and validity. Once they are deemed acceptable, the final draft of the articles is submitted for publication. In this way, the articles go through this extra peer review process. It is also important to know that peer-reviewed journal articles are sometimes called refereed articles. Why should we use them? Applying research into practice can increase the quality and safety of care. Using evidence from research informs nursing practice. It is an essential component of evidence-based practice. Knowing how to find quality research and how it can inform and improve care is vital. Now that we know what scholarly and peer-reviewed journal articles are and why they're important, we can look at one of the key nursing databases, CINAHL, to learn how to find these resources. The CINAHL database, which is the first database that you will see on the nursing subject area on the A to Z database list. Note, you may be asked to sign in with your MySNHU email and password. The CINAHL database is provided by our vendor EBSCOhost, and to view a detailed video on searching CINAHL Complete, please see the CINAHL database video tutorial and the CINAHL Advanced Search video tutorial. In this video, we have reviewed how to locate the nursing and health and medical databases from the library homepage and how to use the A to Z database list. We've also learned what scholarly and peer-reviewed journal articles are and why they are important. Finally, we've seen how to locate the CINAHL database and access video tutorials. Using what we've learned, we can apply the different databases that we subscribe to in the Shapiro Library. If you have any questions or could use some assistance from a librarian while you are doing your research, go to our homepage to access our 24/7 Chat with a Librarian button or contact us via our email address or FAQ database inquiry. We look forward to working with you.
In this tutorial, you will learn how to conduct a basic search using the CINAHL databases. In addition, we look at how to access evidence-based care sheets and quick lessons on CINAHL Ultimate, CINAHL Complete, and the CINAHL Plus databases. We begin by conducting a keyword search from the basic search screen with the available search options opened. Enter migraine in the search box and select the full text limiter to restrict results to those including full text only. You can apply additional limiters to your search, such as peer-reviewed and references available. Search modes enable you to automatically place an OR between search terms by clicking the radio button for the Find Any of My Search Terms search mode. To place an AND between your search terms, select the Find All My Search Terms search mode. Place a check in the box for Apply Related Words to further expand your results. After applying your limiters or expanders, click Search. Under Limit To, use the Date slider to narrow your results by date. Simply drag either end of the slider towards the middle. You can also refine your results even further by clicking the Show More link. The result list can include links to source types such as CEUs, Continuing Education Unit modules, research instruments, and quick lessons. Click the Show More link to view all available source types. Click on a full text link to read an article. Click on the folder icon to collect results in the temporary session folder. To save results beyond the current session, click the Sign In link and either sign in to an existing MyEBSCO folder account or create a new folder account free of charge. Searching for subject terms can also be useful. The CINAHL editorial staff has assigned subject terms based on article content, allowing you to create a targeted search. When you check the Suggest Subject Terms box above the search box, prior to conducting a search, your terms are searched against the CINAHL headings or authority. From there, you can select headings and subheadings to refine your search. You can also click on the CINAHL Subject Headings link along the top toolbar to browse for appropriate subject terms. For more information on searching using subject headings, see the Using CINAHL Mesh Headings tutorial on EBSCO Connect. The ability to search CINAHL headings is available in all of the CINAHL databases. When you are searching the CINAHL Plus, CINAHL Complete, or CINAHL Ultimate databases, you can click on the Evidence-Based Care Sheets or Quick Lessons links in the top toolbar to view a list of all available topics. Simply check the box in front of any item on the list and click on the Search button. The document is displayed in the result list. Click the full text link to view the quick lesson or evidence-based care sheet. To access the CINAHL Continuing Education Unit modules, click the CE module link and follow the directions to enroll with CINAHL. At any time, click on the Help link to view the complete online help system.